What's up, guys? Today we're here at a golf course pond with Maxwell and Daniel. We're about to put this remote control boat in the water and see if we can catch some fish on it. I'm gonna be using a buzzbait or a chatterbait, spinnerbait, anything that I can keep moving with the boat that looks good. This thing can go like 50 miles per hour, so I think we'll be good if we get a fish. It's a really small rod though, so I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. But I'm gonna put the GoPro on the boat and get the fishing.
There's no way you're catching it. Make sure the line doesn't get the motor.
He's got a fish. He's got a fish on the RC boat. Did it come off?
No, it's still on there.
No, I think it's still on there, Max. Do you still feel it?
Look how the rod's been.
Oh my gosh. No, it was not, Max.
Well, the line's not moving.
All right, we'll get it. It looks like it. It's gonna get hung up in this tree. Okay, ready.
Definitely.
It's definitely come off now.
I got him.
No way.
Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
No way.
I just did that.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you've been dragging him.
There's no way.
I just did that.
Is that the same one you just had?
The GoPro's on and everything.
There's no way.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay guys, look. Just caught that fish on the boat. It's a nice 2-pounder. It's not a bad fish. Yeah, throw him back. Nice. How much my rod is bigger now? Dude, it's not turning! Oh my
He's
God.
taking it out.
I gotta reel my line in.
Ah!
Here, reel it. You want me to get in?
No, you'll scare it away. He's taking your boat.
Don't take my boat!
Wait, get into this. Get into this.
Oh my God, that's a...
I don't want to pull it in. You gotta pull it in.
No, don't pull it in. Let it run. Emery, put it on full. Put it on full throttle thing.
You gotta keep the line straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up.
Okay.
Okay. Get the line. Get the line. Get the line.
I got it.
You got tension?
Yeah.
Is he
Oh,
big?
it's a big fish.
Alright, sweet.
This is a big fish. Going to the side.
You gotta keep that line. Yeah, I hold it up.
Oh!
Oh! Oh my God!
Grab it.
Yes!
Oh my,
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Grab it.
Yes!
Oh my God!
Oh my God, dude! God, dude! No freaking way I just did that!
On the RC boat.
No way.
Oh my God, that's like 4.
Oh my God.
Dude! Look at this!
Crazy. That's crazy.
I know.
No way!
It's not bad.
I was about to bring it in too. Okay, let's let it go.
Is the GoPro still going?
Yeah, it's still going. Okay, I'm gonna let it go, guys. There it goes. No way.
There you go, Emma. Wow.
This is smaller than the one I just thought. Oh, that's actually kind of big. It's not bad, but on a RC boat, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, all right. Third one. Yeah, it's still recording. That's nice.
Little dinker.